Hello, Divine. Hello, 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 hello. Good evening. How are you doing? How are you? Oh, thank you. Thank you. How is everyone? I'm a good. Oh, that's good. That's good. How is the weather? The weather is good. I'm only for entry for half an hour. I'm not taking long. So thank you for coming in. Yeah, thank you so much. Yeah, just half an hour. I am not staying long. So how is your Christmas? Christmas is very 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 soon. We are December. What um we are December. Yeah, we're December 17, 18, 19, yeah, 17. Very soon we having a party. We having party because cooking ka rin ba? May CB, I will look your kasi kan. Cooking ka rin ba? I didn't know you're cooking. So we're the same. Cooking. There we go. I will look your channel. December. December, no, December 17. December 17 na tayo. So, I will look your channel. YouTube channel. So, nasaan ka ba ngayon? Saan ka ngayon? Nasa ano ka, oo nga, December. Okay, ang bilis ng panahon. Ayun pala, Divine Cooking Vlog. Oo, pareho pala tayo. Matagal na ako nakaano sa'yo eh. Nasa Pinas po. I see. I see. Nasa Pinas ka. Ang laki ng bahay mo is 14,000. 14,000 your channel is too big. 14,000. Yeah, 14,000 is that's a very good one. Oh, really? That's nice. That's nice. At least basta may tiyaga, may malalaga. O, di ba? 'Pag hindi ka nag-ano, 'di wala kang malaga. So, maganda talaga 'pag mayroong saan na ba yun? Mera, hmm.
Good
Kapag wala kang
morning.
ano,
Today, you see the barangay. Um, I was in supermarket. I am here in the. I am here now in the fruit stand. Okay, you see this all fruit stand
Ay,
here, the
kakaano mo lang,
mango,
kakamumuni mo
grapes.
lang. That's very good. So, nakailang sahod ka na? Eh, ako kasi hindi ako nag-ano, kasi inaiwasan ko yung music. Alam mo yung music. Ako, kasi nakakaano yan na, pag hindi ka ano, marunong mag, ano. Hey, James Money, hello! How are you? Don't forget to like sa live. Yeah. Hindi ko ako nag-ipon ko lang. Ah, okay, good. James, how are you, James? Yeah. I want to look my books because I have a books for entry. Yeah. Hello, everyone. Yeah, this what they call this in my yes. Mm, nag-ipon. Oh, that's very good. You keep doing it. You keep savings. Yeah, you keep savings. Hindi pa po ako nakasahod dahil po nag-iipon pa lang po. Oh, you okay? That's why. Hello, James. How are you doing? Hello, hello. Please just say hello. Yeah. Yeah, that's very good. I had that one before. I think I got like 90, but it's gone. I don't really claim it. That's I have also in Facebook. I have also earning there, but I didn't claim it. Yeah, wala akong nag-claim sa Facebook. Mayroon akong ano ipon. Yeah. Hello, hello, hello. Lucky me. Hello, hello, I cut your live at last. Yes. Yeah. What do you call this? Yeah, I have only half an hour because I am busy tomorrow. Yeah, it's busy time because it's Christmas, right? Christmas is coming, so that's why busy time. I have a party for my workers this coming 19. Yeah, 19 to 19. I oh, saan ka po ngayon dito? It's here in the corner. Say hi, hello to Kemi. Try to connect to him. Connect to him and James. James is there. It's in the corner. It's in the corner in the market. It's very haggard. Yeah, so um, I'm having a party for my people. I have 7 people. I think 7 people. Then I invite one, two. Yeah, I invite four. So I think I have 11 people in all. Yeah, yeah, I have 11 people. I'm preparing. I'm preparing. I don't cook. I ask someone to cook for me. I don't want to cook because I'm so tired. But I have maybe noodles. I have like a cow feet and skin like a cow is very good. Oh my gosh, like we call that balbakwa. And I have also what it was humba like sweet and sour. What else? I have Minodo, like a Puchero, like a Minodo. Yeah, lots of things. Lots of things that I can. I think, yeah, that's the one I prepared. And also, I have maybe a young coconut, like a salad. Yeah, like a salad. Yeah, it's a busy time. And I'm hoping that they have someone to give me a present, you know. That's a present time. Hello, present. Oh my gosh, my present is all coming along. Uh, present time. I hope I'm a present time. Oh my gosh, I have this, what it is, I have two, see, what it is, I have this look. I, it's heavy. Yeah, it's heavy. I have like this look. I want to show you. Mm, I have like this look. I have like this for Christmas. Yeah. Uh, See, I have like this for Christmas. I prepared for my people. You know the people who work for us. That's the one I prepare because they also deserve to receive something, right? Yeah. Yeah, they are really deserve to receive something because yeah. See here. I have envelope here. Yeah, this one is we put something in it. Yeah, and also they have like this, like corned beef. Like see, like corned beef. They have like sardines. Look, yeah. This is we don't do this for GCAS. This is only for free food, like a food packs for them. At least they will enjoy. And we have this one noodles. No, because they work for us. Yeah. Um, I, I think. Thank you. Thank you. Wow. That's amazing. That's amazing. Thank you so much, Kimmy. That's my present. Oh my God. It's dead. Yeah. Thank you for the super sticker. I really appreciate that. um, my goodness. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much, Kim. Thank you. And also, wow, €5 is big. 5 euro is big. Thank you for my present. I have also this. Look, uh, this one I bought this for one pack. Then I divide it. Yeah, I divide it because it's very, you know, it's help for them. Yeah, they have this Lucky Me, uh, Lucky Me